Hi vetmates, I'm John Oliver M. Ramos, and for today's video, let's talk about lime or the limestone. So what is lime? Lime is a material or substance derived from limestones and shells, like oyster shells, which contains mainly of calcium carbonates. So what are the materials used in liming? So first, we have the limestones, second, the oyster shells, and third, other materials containing basic substances such as calcium carbonates and etc. So next, what is used of liming? First is to neutralize the acidity or sourness of the soil or water or to buffer the pH to an acceptable alkaline level. B. To kill the parasites, pests, and other undesirable organisms. C. To improve soil condition and to promote the bacterial breakdown of waste material. And D. To precipitate excess dissolved organic material and clay turbidity. And lastly, to reduce the potential of oxygen depletion by making carbon dioxide available to photosynthesis. So what is agricultural lime? Agricultural lime and dolomite lime are prepared by crushing limestones to particle size of 10 mesh to 60 mesh with rock crusher. Particle sizes which pass a 60 mesh screen have a fitness value of 100%, which means fastest to dissolve. Burnt limestone is prepared by heating limestone in a furnace or in a very high degree of temperature between 500 degrees Celsius to 600 degrees Celsius. Hydrated lime is prepared by treating burnt lime with water. It has a neutralizing value of 135 to 136% calcium carbonates. It is also fast-acting but next only to burnt lime. How to distinguish one lime from the other limes? This is done by examining or analyzing the pH of a slurry of 10 to 20 parts distilled water and 1 part liming material. 10 to 20 is to 1. pH of agricultural lime will not be more than pH 10. Meanwhile, the pH of burnt lime or hydrated lime will exceed to pH 12. So next, we have the ways to determine the acidity. First is by ocular inspection of the soil. The indicators of acidic pond soils are A. Newly constructed pond, B. Ponds that do not respond to fertilization, C. Ponds with plenty of decaying bakawan and nipa roots, D. Pond bottom that turn reddish when exposed to sunlight for more than 3 days, E. Evidence of jar site, and lastly, water with alkalinity of less than 20 parts per million of calcium carbonates. So second is by the use of litmus paper. If litmus paper turns reddish after having moistened with the subject water, such is A. Acidic. If it turns bluish, the subject water is alkaline. So reddish is very acidic, we have the pH 4 or lower. Yellowish, we have the light acidic of pH 5 to 6. Meanwhile, the greenish to grayish to neutral have a pH value of 6.5 to 8.5. So thank you for watching, and I hope that you learned a lot in our lesson for today, which is the lime or the limestone.